Just rode Rapterra. It's a lot of fun. Let's catch this thing shooting off. Yeah. Walking up to Rapterra at King's Dominion. I got this queue here. I got some claws on the side. Rawr. Nice little display of stuff. Go ahead. I'm inside this gift shop at Rapterra and Tumbili. Look at this merch. I like that it's got the stats on it. Got me a shirt. Gotta get this. Gotta get this. They got some nice stuff in here though. This jungle theming is on fire. Time to ride Pantherian. This will be my first time riding this thing. I've not been on it before. It looks pretty large, and look how high up that thing is. Wow. Okay. This thing just roars, doesn't it? Tall hill. I'm gonna take y'all with me on the K walk, but I do not have a way of video on the ride, so I just want to stop once I get to the K. Q. Yeah, to the Q. This damn thing is a walk-on, and I've never been on it before. I'm gonna get in the middle back somewhere. This will work right here. My first time riding it. It was a lot of fun. Couldn't believe how fast I went up that darn lift hill. I was looking to the side, admiring the water park from the sky. Next thing I knew, I'm flying down the hill. Went a lot quicker than I thought it would. Look how high up they are. 300 feet, or 305 I think it is. This thing is awesome.
Now I gotta do Dominator the other big.
Do it now, do it now, do it now.
I think he's ready on the gas. Yo, let's check the black. Yeah. I told you it was good. I think it's just like the blood.
This thing was so much fun, wasn't it? That tall. It was incredible. I want to get a good video of this Rapterra. This one is always fun to ride. Yeah. That guy almost lost it there. Did you hear that? Minion. They have an Eiffel Tower here. It's a third of the size of the regular Eiffel Tower over in France. Well, that's still pretty tall. Here's Reptilian at King's Dominion, Doswell, Virginia. This ride long ago used to be a white color and was painted white, called Avalanche, a bobsled coaster that is actually, there's not that many of them left. Yeah, they keep stopping people in the mid-break, which kind of sucks. Ride's a lot better when they don't stop. Oh. Dominator, right at you. Nice. Outside Dominator now, King's Dominion. This one is my favorite in the park. I know Pantherian is a favorite usually, but this to me has a lot more elements. It's more fun. Y'all okay? Sure that looks familiar to everyone. Walking up to Pantherian, going for ride number 5 today. Here we are.
What happened?
Alright everyone, it's the thing, I've been coming to King's Dominion for a long time, probably 35 plus years. Hello.
Hello.
And sitting behind the Woodstock Express, Planet Snoopy, right behind it, hidden in all this bamboo, there's actually a ride. It's a laser tag haunted house type ride. I never knew it was even here. It was fun. I tried it.